Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to start with the carrier because visual voicemail lives on their servers. Call or use the carrier app now. Have your account PIN ready. Ask them to disable or remove visual voicemail on your line. That is the only reliable method. Once they confirm the change, make a note of any confirmation ID. Don't pause to tinker with iOS settings yet, because the change must propagate from the carrier before your phone clears the visual voicemail interface. When you speak to support, specifically request they disable visual voicemail and remove the voicemail service for your line. If they offer a carrier settings update or toggle in their app, follow it immediately. Get a clear estimate for propagation. Sometimes it's immediate, sometimes up to 24 hours. Once they confirm, power cycle your iPhone and wait the stated window. This allows the carrier to stop serving the visual voicemail data, so your phone app can drop the voicemail tab. After the carrier confirms disablement, restart the iPhone and open phone voicemail to verify the tab is gone or empty. If you still see visual voicemail, go to Settings General about to trigger a carrier settings update. If needed, reset network settings and reboot. If the voicemail tab persists, contact the carrier again with your confirmation ID and ask them to verify server-side removal. That final call usually resolves lingering entries, because the iPhone reflects what the carrier serves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.